Start with the name of great Almighty Allah, who is the most kind and the most merciful. Honorable dear President, respected principal, dear teachers, and my lovely fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we have gathered here to celebrate this special occasion, I am honored for being given the opportunity to speak on the topic of importance of education. To begin with, the term education needs no introduction. We are well aware of what it means. Since in childhood, the term education is referred to a person that to speak or write and the mother tongue. Though, and broader perspective, it implies having a specialized knowledge and a prospective degrees. Respected principal, we cannot ignore the importance of education. As we see in our society, a lot of social issues just because of lack of education. Social issues like inequalities, gender discrimination, religious differences, and so many other problems are because of lack of knowledge. Dear fellows, proper education helps us to maintain the social and physical standard in our life. Our parents make us to learn many things in the home, because home is the first education institute where we learn how to behave other skills. However, education is very necessary in every period of life. Respected teachers, through education, we learn and develop personalities, mental skills, moral and physical power. Educated people are better able to fulfill their dreams in comparison to uneducated people of the society. Education is very important for a person to overcome all the ancient superstition which negatively affected our society. Respected teacher, in such a modern, technological and competitive world, there is still the issue of education among the poor and uneducated people of society. Thank you for listening to me. Wassalam.